am Dr. Putnur Srinivas Sudhakar, homeo physician and also Professor HOD of Surgery. What is first aid? So first aid is treating the patient before consulting the doctor in emergencies. Like that, in homeopathy also there are many first aid remedies are there. So first aid homeopathic remedies are remedies you can use actually at home or when traveling to treat common ailments such as cuts, bruises, bites, cold and nausea. Using the right remedy can clear up symptoms relatively quickly and they work really well for children. Homeopathy is also safe to use in pregnancy, when breastfeeding and for elderly people also. So in this first drug is Aconitum nebulus. It is best for illness that come on after exposure to cold weather or cold wind. Also excellent for an acute illness on the first day of onset, sudden onset, or due to weather change or due to fear any complaints appear, you can give this or you can take this Aconitum. And second one is Apis mellifica. So this is for the bee stings, bug bites and hives that produce painfully itchy eruptions, and it is feel better after application of cold things. Apis mellifica. Next one is arnica. Arnica, it eases all kinds of trauma, means injuries, a fall on the ice and a knee colliding with the coffee table corner, or the first game of tennis in 3 years. It comes in pellets for sublingual use or in topical creams for sore muscles and joints. Early use limits bruising, decreases pain and facilitates rapid healing. Next one is Cantharis, the most common treatment for the urinary tract infections. So like bladder. So that if any bladder inflammation or infection causes burning pain and frequent urination also present, and also any burns or kitchen or sunburns, you can give this Cantharis. And these burns which are producing blisters, such a type of burns, you can use Cantharis. And next one is Hypericum. Hypericum helps to heal injuries to nerve rich areas like the tips of fingers and toes, the spine and tailbone, often used with arnica. Next one is ladum or ladum pod. It is treatment for all kinds of puncture wounds, including animal and bug bites, whereas wound is cold and is relieved by cold applications. And if arnica is not worked, you can give this ladum pod. Next drug is Nakswamika, a good remedy for overdoing of all kinds, sedentary life, sedentary habits, eating, working, hangovers and undersleeping persons. This Nakswamika can be used, and also Nakswamika used for the gastric troubles. Later we will discuss in this same thing. Rustox, particularly it is good for joint pain, and these joint pains are better by applying the warm applications, and gentle movement worsen the condition. And also treatment for chicken pox. Treatment during chicken pox, if the patient having any fever or anything, you can take or you can give this chicken pox. And IV poison, IV poison. Next drug is Rota. This Rota can be used with arnica for sprains that worsen with motion, or when the injury has occurred where the tendon or ligament attaches to the bone. So Rota is helpful in these conditions. So all these are the very important first aid drugs we have to keep in our home or while traveling. Thank you for listening, and subscribe my channel and give likes. Thank you.